So you have an appointment at the dentist's office, and there's something that you don't know, but you should know. Is that from the moment you walk into our office to the moment that you walk out of our office, we want to make sure that you have the best experience possible. We recognize the anxieties that a lot of people have with coming to the dentist. And we understand that you might not know what to expect. That's why we take as many steps as possible to make the entire experience smooth and comfortable. Myself and my team work behind the scenes to make sure that every experience is going to be a good one. And we have an entire team that's able to answer any of your questions so that you're comfortable with the process. So from something as simple as a cleaning all the way up to a complex treatment plan, we have the skills and cutting-edge technology to get it done. We're here to guide you and make suggestions. With over 10 years of experience, I found that it's so important that the patient be the head of the decision-making process when it comes to dentistry. We have the expertise and attention to detail to make sure that you achieve great results, while also not losing sight of the fact that each step of the way you need to be comfortable. We recognize that achieving good dental health can be a journey, and above all, we just want to get to know you, and we're here for you to answer any of your questions. We're looking forward to meeting you. Please feel free to contact our office and schedule your first visit.